Daily use questions in English. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? Is John there, please? Is John there, please? May I speak to John, please? May I speak to John, please? The big one or the small one? The big one or the small one? Were you at the library last night? Were you at the library last night? What does this mean? What does this mean? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? When will you pick up them? When will you pick up them? Where are you? Where are you? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Can I access the internet here? Can I access the internet here? Would you please tell me again? Would you please tell me again? Do you have more? Do you have more? Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? How long does it take to get to London? How long does it take to get to London? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Are you coming? Are you coming? Did you call me? Did you call me? Do you know? Do you know? Do you understand? Do you understand? How are the children? How are the children? How do you do? How do you do? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? How old are you? How old are you? How is the family? How is the family? Is the man in? Is the man in? May I accompany you? May I accompany you? May I go? May I go? Shall I bring it? Shall I bring it? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What do you do? What do you do? What has happened? What has happened? What is the matter? What is the matter? What is the reason? What is the reason? What is the trouble? What is the trouble? What is your name, please? What is your name, please? What shall I do for you? What shall I do for you? What's the news? What's the news? When did you come? When did you come? When shall we meet again? When shall we meet again? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? Who is coming? Who is coming? Who is it? Who is it? Why did not you come? Why did not you come? Why did not you go earlier? Why did not you go earlier? Why have you left your studies? Why have you left your studies? Why is the road closed? Why is the road closed? Will you do a thing? Will you do a thing? Won't you go? Won't you go? What next? What next? When will you go? When will you go? How is she? How is she? Should I bring it? Should I bring it? Who are they? Who are they? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Why are you tired? Why are you tired? What will I answer? What will I answer? How to dance? How to dance? Why are you coming to my office? Why are you coming to my office? What do you do in free time? What do you do in free time? When did you come? When did you come? Where to sleep? Where to sleep? Who is your friend? Who is your friend? Do you understand? Do you understand? What kind of work can you do? What kind of work can you do? What do you want? What do you want? Why are you going to Canada? Why are you going to Canada? How is your family? How is your family? Shall I begin? Shall I begin? Where to sit? Where to sit? How are you? How are you? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? How to make a car? How to make a car?